Yo, 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 what's good, YouTube? It's the OG back with a quick video. I got some shoes. Y'all see they all beat up. Well, they not beat up, they actually dirty. They got the little wear in, but what I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna bring these joints back to life, you know? So, I want y'all to stay tuned and see how it actually turns out, alright? So what I'm gonna do right now, got this little kit from Snipes. It actually works pretty good, you know? So, I cleaned up. I started to do this video a day or two ago because I actually been cleaning up some old kicks that I just had laying around, you know? So today is the day I'm gonna do this one real quick. Start off, I'm gonna brush this one off, all the dust and stuff off of here. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I truly appreciate you. Got my water running. This is my first time using this on cloth. I've been using it on leather, you know. But let's see how it turns out. Now for this this white part, you know what I use? Can't show all y'all, can't show all my little tricks, but it's all good. Use a little Ajax. Been using this for years, man. This actually works miracles, you know? Let me see something real quick. Get the camera messed up. And you know you gotta let these dry for a minute. You know. You can see the difference in them already, you know? Let me show you. You gotta dry like I said, but I'm gonna show you what they looking like when I'm all done. This one I haven't even touched, so you see. The one that I just cleaned, you gotta dry. And this one right here. This one is whoosh. You see? Yeah. So what I'm actually gonna do with this one, I'm gonna take it out and let it air dry. You know? But then I gotta do the laces and the insole. But yeah, don't look too bad compared to this one. This one is whoosh, ugly. Yeah. Hit these soles on this first, and I'll go back with the snipe stuff and do the shoot. These soles is just hard, really hard, man. You gotta put in some elbow work with this, you know. Remember, Ajax, you want your soles back white? Get you some Ajax. Ajax work, man. I'm telling you. Whew. What you want to do is go like in a little circle. And you can get all that dirt up out of there, you know? So what I'm gonna do, family, I'm gonna sit these out. It's gonna take probably the rest of the day for them to dry. Then I'll come back with a on foot and show you how they look. But yeah, let me rinse this off real. I think it looks much better. clean this mess up for my old lady get home. This one drying, but this one's still wet. You know. Yep. Still gonna hit this a little more, but yeah, that's basically it. So stay tuned, and also you can go to my OG Fast T Instagram and check out some pics of these. Thank you all for stopping by as always. Peace.